I'm gonna show y'all how I got these cute professional looking DIY press on nails at home while also reviewing the products that I use to get these nails looking like this, girl. So let's go. All of these nail products I used to do today's video. I got all of these items from Amazon and they are all linked under one link on my Amazon storefront. I'm going to put that link directly in the description box so you can click it and shop anything that you see me using today. Now, some of these things I absolutely love. They are some gems, but some things are so-so. So as I'm using these things, I'll let you know which things I like and which things I'm like, okay. Now, first of all, this Model 1's base coat I used when I did my polygel. If you've seen my polygel videos, then you know what I'm talking about. If you didn't and you want to see how I did my polygel sets, I will link that below. But anyways, I had a base coat, so I'm just using it. I already had it. Now, when I coated these nails, I'm going to say you might want to wipe them down with alcohol first, because if you don't, they're going to have a little bit of separation. You can see on that ended nail right there. And if you look at the second nails, are nice and smooth. So I let that go in the lamp for 60 seconds and I will be starting off my second set the same way. Okay. Now, also, I want to let y'all know that these stands that I'm using to hold my nails, absolutely game changer. So I don't have to put it on my nails first. I don't want to glue it on my nails first and then try to do it, because you know I'm right-handed, and once you get to the left hand, get a little difficult. It was fairly cheap to get this little nail stand, so you might want to get it, girl. I think it was like $9 or something like that. All right, so for the nail polishes, I got the Capricorn set from Beetles, and I'm gonna say this. First of all, they're really easy to work with because it's not so thick that it's hard to use like some gel polishes are. And secondly, this Capricorn set comes with a bunch of nudish pinks. We get a metallic pink, a gray. It also comes with white, which I misplaced, but really cute colors. This is my type of thing. I'm going in with the gel polish. I absolutely love this brand of gel polish. I never tried it until this time around. Beetles is definitely doing some things right now. And as you can see, Beetles also provided the nails as well, the clear nails, which I think is pretty decent. It's clear. It comes with a lot of pieces. I think 500 nails inside. And it also comes with that a little UV lamp you'll see soon towards the end of the video. But I like to coat my nails. I like to sit it to the side a little bit while I do the second set, so that way it can get nice and smooth before I set it, because sometimes it still has streaks on it. So I let that cure for 60 seconds as well. And then I'm going in with Beetles top coat. So I like the Beetles top coat polish as well. It's not too thick, so it's definitely easy to work with. It gives a nice shine. I didn't have any chipping. It stayed put the whole time. And when I used white polish, I didn't get any yellowing. And I'm just getting that nice and smooth on it as well. And like I said, I like to let them sit while I do the second set, and then I put them in a lamp to cure, because when you let them sit a little bit, it gets nice and smooth. So any lines or streaks that you may see, by the time you put it in a lamp, it'll be nice and settled. They came out really nice, and technically that would be the finished job. But because I bought some other things, some nail art, I'm going to go ahead and add some of those to the nails, okay? Now, the stickers is a little bit more difficult than I thought it was going to be. I'm going to tell you like this, okay? When it comes to applying the stickers, if you want to apply the stickers, make sure you cut it exactly to the size that it needs to be so it can fit perfectly before applying it to the nail. Because once you apply it to the nail, it's a little bit hard to cut off the excess edges and stuff like that. And also, you want to take your time when applying it. I did not, and I had like air bubbles and stuff under the sticker, and it did not look cute. And right here, I was just trying to file off the extra sticker. Either way, this is what it came out looking like. I didn't like it. I feel like it could be neater. So I did end up just doing too much stickers. But you saw the process. You'll see how it ended up looking at the end, but you also saw it at the beginning. I like to file my nails to make sure that it's to the shape that I absolutely want them to be. And that's what it looked like when I did new stickers. I was like, okay, the first sticker, I wasn't liking it, but the second time around, it came out really, really nice. So this is another set that I decided to do while I was sitting here. I was like, let me just make an extra set so when I pop these nails off, I can have another set of nails to put on. I think these came out really cute as well. Like I said, these stands to make your nails super easy. So you can just have extra press on nails. You don't don't have to worry about doing it while you already glue it to your fingers. Like I'm telling y'all need it. Now this kit has everything you need in there to give yourself a little manicure. So I went ahead and I used a couple of things. I went ahead and got all the extra crust off my nails, pushed back my cuticles, shaped up my nails, buffed out the nail bed. It basically has everything that you need in there to make sure that your nails are in the perfect position before putting on press on nails. And I'm gonna tell you like this, when it comes to putting on press on nails, you want to push back your cuticles. You want to take out any crust amongst the cuticles. You also want to go in with a nail filer and buff down the nail bed a little bit, just so there's something a little bit ragged for the nails to actually stick to. If it's too smooth and it's feeling too polishy, then your nails will pop off a lot easier. That's just my little tip, okay? But anyways, once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with some rubbing alcohol and I'm going to wipe across all of my nails so that way I don't have any more dust on it. It's nice and clean. It's going to be dried out and the nails will set a little bit better. Now, this Beetles nail glue came with the nails and it also came with the mini UV lamp that you're going to see me use. And it's supposed to be like some strong, good nail glue. And it's a gel glue, so you're supposed to put it on and cure it under this little lamp they gave you. Now, I'm going to tell you like this, okay? There's a little lamp. Is really not that convenient because it's just so tiny. So I tried it. I flipped it, tried to hold it a little bit, put it up under there again. It's cute that it gave it to you, but it's too small. So I was like, you know what? It's not going to work. It's too little. I need some coverage. So I went and I just used the regular lamp for it. So that's one thing so far. Like I said, the little lamp just came with the nails in the kit. It's cute to come with it, but it's okay. It's not that best. Over here pressing on my nails to see how it's sticking. So far, it was sticking. It was looking pretty decent, but I will have an update at the end of the video to let you know how everything pulled together. So basically, I put on my nails. I went ahead and I moisturized, and I went in and I put on some oil around my cuticles, girl, just so it's not looking crusty and it's looking real nice and good. And that was it. That was it. I don't think I missed anything, but if I did miss anything, y'all, comment down below if you have any questions and I'll answer it in the description box. I mean, in the comment section. But these are what the nails came out looking like. I feel like they came out looking real professional at home. They came out looking really good. And that is the difference of putting the nails on the little stand that it has and doing them so you can get the nail polish to go from tip to tip versus gluing the nails on you and then adding the nail polish and hoping that you have full coverage or you don't get a little bit on your finger, something like that. Okay, so quick update. 2 nails popped off that night, 2 more the next morning. I applied nail glue from Kiss. They stayed put. I did get a chip nail on my pinky. I think I did something when I pulled the door too hard or something, and I knew that nail was over. I just applied some glue that first day, and the next day I said, girl, just put a new nail. I put a new nail. Now, as far as the Beetles nail gel glue, I cannot say this is a bad product. What I'm going to say is I probably didn't use the product the way the product is supposed to be used. I'm assuming that you're supposed to apply it on your clear nail and then go ahead and cure it. But because it had so much polish and stuff on the nail before I did that application, I don't think it had enough exposure to the UV lamp, if that makes sense. So I will have to test that product a little differently and use it the way I think it's supposed to be used to see if it actually works. And I think it probably will. But if you're going to be trying to make press on nails and have them sitting to the side, then it might not be the product for you. You might just need to use regular nail glue. So that is it. That is all. If you ladies have any questions, comment down below and I will be glad to answer. And I'm gonna wrap this up. I see y'all. Bye.